Okay, so what we got here is a 42-inch Litex close-up hugger ceiling fan. I got this from my grandparents along with this one for free. These fans are very nostalgic to me. I remember always going up on the third floor, which they were installed on the third floor, to see these two fans, and now I finally own the ones I've been very interested in. One difference I noticed between the two is this one has the blade irons are like lower, or more like lower, unlike this one, which are more flushed. I don't know why, but that's how it is. But yeah. So yeah, here is a low speed. This fan was installed in the one with the green, the green walls, the room with the green walls. It also had a very long red string. But yeah, this fan is very, these two fans are very special to me. I always remember, like, I always wanted a cane blade fan like this. And yeah. I actually have two other footprint vent fans. I have a 52-inch Murray Feiss and a actual 52-inch Litex close-up hugger, which is also 4-blade, 5-blade adaptable. Same with these fans, but I just don't care to put them at 4-blade, 5-blade. Here's medium. This fan is kind of the louder of the two. And also, it's the slower, but I think that could be explained by the awful blade, like, pitch. It's bent out of shape. Alright, and here's high speed. It's moving a very good amount of air. I've always liked these fans. I always really like these footprint vent huggers. I think they're really cool, and I'm so happy to have them. Alright. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.